Hey guys, I am Orange. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's been a day and a half, man. It's been a day. So today is the day that I show you, yes, you, how to get $7 nails, how to glue them, how to shape them, how to paint them. I'm gonna let you know where I got every single thing. I'm gonna link it down below and you'll know every single thing that I used, so you can do it at home. I'm not gonna be like others who, you know, just like, oh my god, look, this is how you do it, and then not link things down below. Who do they think they are? Yeah, you only clicked on this video for one reason, and the reason is how to do your own nails for $7. I'm just gonna get right into it because I know this video is gonna be forever. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's just get into it. So I just wanted to show everything that I'd be using so you can get a visual. I did say that I would link everything down below, which I still am, but I just wanted to let you see what I was using. Like the oil is just for your cuticles. If you want to use it, that's optional. It's an all-purpose oil. It's not specifically for cuticles, but it's affordable and you can use it for other things besides just the nails. But these are all the things that I'll be using in the video today. So we're just going to get started. First, I'm just going to be cutting my nails short so I can apply the false ones. So this is the bag that the false nails will be coming in. They're not scattered everywhere. Each size is individually packaged into this little plastic bag. The larger the number, the smaller the nail. So what I'm going to be doing right now is just sizing them to my nail, and then I'll lay them out on the table ready for me to glue them. So as you'll see right now, I'm going to take this nail glue and apply it to the base of the nail and glue it on. Usually I just kind of hold it there for about 10 seconds and you will be good. Just try not to put too much glue on the base of the nail because then it will spread and get on your skin. If you do happen to get glue on your skin, either let it dry and then file it off, or before it dries you can use some acetone to remove it. So I did pick up this nail tool from Amazon, but you definitely don't need it. I found that you just need a nail clipper. Of course, if you want it, you can go ahead and pick it up. It was very affordable, but you do not need it. So now these are what the nails are looking like. I want them to be a little more slanted, more coffin shaped than square. So I do cut the sides with the nail clipper and then I file them down to the shape that I want. I do find that it was kind of hard to show y'all, so I'm going to come on right now and explain it and come up a little closer. Okay, so I want to jump in here real quick because the filing of my nails, or like showing it to you guys what I do, is kind of hard to film, a lot harder than I thought it was going to be. So I'm just going to jump in here real quick to kind of explain what I'm doing close up. So I'm kind of like chopping off the sides of the nails just because they kind of like round. I don't know if you can see, but it's a really steep, I don't know how to explain it. It keeps going blurry. I'm so sorry, you guys. I wish I could like be a professional, but I'm totally not. So again, just like cutting the sides of the nail, and then what I'll do is get the file. So I'll get the file, I don't know, does it look weird? I don't know. And then I'll go on the side of the nail and kind of slant it just a little bit, and sorry about that. And then I'll keep doing that, the sides, until I get like the shape I want, pretty much. Yeah, so I'm gonna continue. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing. It's kind of hard because the camera's like slanted, also it's blurry. I'm so sorry. But yeah, I'm gonna continue. Okay, so basically I filed these down to more of like a coffin ballerina shape, which is what I want, and then these are still like the regular square ones. Haven't filed them yet, so I'm gonna go ahead and file them really quick and then I'll come right back. And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want more nail videos, don't forget to give it a thumbs up or comment down below. But that is it for this one. I will see you in my next video. Bye! We're pretty hard. You are messing that. Do I look like I'm trying to suck it in? Because I am. Another video. My fan is on. I'll turn it off right now. Hey guys! Hey guys, what's up? It's Adri. Hey guys, what's up? Oh, am I being loud enough? Hey! Hey! Welcome back! Guys, welcome back to my channel. Wow, this is getting ridiculous. It's unhealthy how, yeah. How do I... So quiet. People are listening to me say this over and over. I'm just waiting for somebody to yell from their room and be like, shut up! Hey guys, I've been filming for 5 minutes now on this intro and I can't get one. So we're just gonna do it, okay? Welcome back to my channel. You know how it is. Welcome back to my channel. I can't do that.